From rolling mansions on wheels to advanced tiny houses designed for your amazing adventure. Here are 21 luxury mobile homes with the most advanced technologies that I promise will blow your mind. If you are dreaming of cruising around the globe, I bet you will be impressed by these amazing vehicles. So, let's roll on. Number 21. Houseboat Classic 180. Imagine how cool it would be to own a beachside home without having to waste millions on properties. Introducing the Houseboat Classic 180, the house has comfortable heated flooring, panoramic windows, and lofty ceilings. Additionally, it provides advanced wastewater treatment and purification technology. During heavy winters, the boat has self-sufficient diesel generators and solar panels that provide power even in harsh conditions. For people who wish to break away from traditional housing, this is the best option, which provides both comfort and luxury. Number 20. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium is a beautifully designed hybrid off-road caravan for families. Fusing the usefulness of a hybrid off-road caravan with the portability of a camper trailer. With cozy beds, lots of storage, and luxurious comforts, it offers convenience, comfort, and style. The motorhome has a big bed, a U-shaped sofa for the sitting space, a fully working indoor and outdoor kitchen, and a specialized Harrier light rooftop air conditioning system. It also comes with two 135 amp-hour lithium batteries, a 400-watt rooftop solar panel, a 2,000-watt pure Sinewave inverter, 240-volt inputs and sockets, USB ports, a Projecta PM400 battery management system, and a rear-view camera. Beautiful like a Mars rover on Earth. We are just getting started on our list. There are more that are going to blow your mind. So drop a like and subscribe now. Number 19. Podi X Go Grande S1. A house that can expand after being parked? I present you the Grande S1. It has a kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, water heater, air conditioner, CO2 smoke detector, and a standard inlet for connecting to municipal water systems. Additionally, the house features a 120-volt electrical system that may be used off the grid by connecting to a solar power system or the local grid. The S1 provides the most durable and comfortable motorhomes built with steel frames, insulated polyurethane walls, and roof panels. Number 18. Maxus V90 Villa Edition. Next up on the list is the Maxus V90 Villa Edition, a legitimate paradise for those who like luxurious and comfortable vacations. This is not just a regular camping van. Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a revolutionary two-story mobile house with luxurious furnishing and technology. It has a retractable roof, a large second story with glass walls and a balcony, an elegant kitchen with an oven, refrigerator, and washing machine, a comfortable bedroom, and an exquisite living area with corner sofas. The house is equipped with the smartest technologies, which makes it easy to access control of lighting, multimedia, and even heating. Number 17. Timbercraft Big Sky. The incredible creation by Timbercraft. The Big Sky Mini Home is a 41-foot-long model with a minimal and rustic design. Constructed on a 5-axle trailer, it has a covered terrace, wood accents, and horizontal metal cladding. The interior is beautifully designed with dark wooden elements that dominate and large windows that provide natural light inside. The areas include 2 bedrooms, a large bathroom, a comfortable living area, and an exquisite kitchen with modern comforts. It also consists of a second floor with a king-sized bed. Number 16. STX Volvo FH540. Now this one is going to be wild because I present you the STX brand horse carrier vehicle, built on a Volvo FAG chassis which transports 6 horses with ease. With sliding pieces and a lifting mechanism for effortless loading and unloading, it boasts an exquisite look. The horse compartment is equipped with rubber flooring, ventilation systems, CCTV cameras, and special mounts for saddles. The main living room includes a TV station, a full kitchen, and a bathroom. The vehicle also has modern life support systems, autonomous power supply, heating, air conditioning, and water supply. This multi-purpose trailer is perfect for off-road capability, and cruising that provides a high level of safety and a luxurious interior that will make your trips memorable. Number 15. CMC Aluna Motorhome. Do you ever feel like going on an unforgettable travel experience with the fullest of comfort and luxury? Here is the CMC Aluna Motorhome with a spacious interior including sleeping, kitchen, shower, and toilet areas, and ergonomic design for easy movement. With its robust frame and top-notch thermal insulation, the motorhome is safe and reliable. The engine is a powerful beast that ensures easy handling, making it the best option for outdoor activities, trekking, and hitting the coastal areas, providing reliability, safety, and comfort in all conditions. Number 14. RC12M. The RC12M luxury motorhome is a top-of-the-line motorhome with clean lines and minimal design. Originally created by RC Motorhomes for over 12 years. It has 4 sizable slide-out sections, a 7-meter-long roof, a spacious garage, and a Volvo FH chassis with a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine. With electronically controllable slide-out components and a hydraulic step system for effortless folding and unfolding, the inside is roomy and modular. And the best part is the large garage for your cars with slide doors and a large canopy for seating. Electric blinds, lights, a cozy driver's cabin, a bedroom, a large kitchen, and a luxurious bathroom are all included inside. Number 13. Vario Signature 1200. The most beautifully built Vario, perfect 1200 Platinum home with the most advanced technology, is perfect to travel the world in luxury and comfort. It is a 12 meters long and 26 tons heavy motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. It features a 10.7-liter turbo diesel engine with 422 horsepower and a 12.8 unit with 523 horses. With 3 electro-hydraulic retractable parts, the interior is extravagant and cozy. The house has a kitchen, spacious living room, bathroom, and bedroom, a powerful heating and air conditioning system, and a full multimedia system, including a Bose audio system and Apple TV. The coolest part is that it can accommodate a Mercedes-AMG GT-level car. Number 12. Starliner SL25. Starliner SL25. Motorhome by the Mowers is a wonderful, lavish, and excellent choice that provides an excellent drive. It has a monolithic body with 2 slide-out parts and a car garage, and it is completely rebuildable using fiberglass. It is based on an eco-everyday chassis. It features a luxurious finish, a fully furnished kitchen and bathroom, and a sleeping space for 4 people. The Starliner SL25 is a true house on wheels thanks to its many useful features, such as foldable couches and concealed storage. Number 11. STX2 Pop-Outs and Garage. The STX2 Pop-Outs and Garage introduced by STX Motorhomes provide both convenience and luxury for travelers at the same time. The motorhome has a large interior with contemporary conveniences like air conditioning, microwaves and freezers, 2 slide-out sections, and a backup garage for freight or motorbikes. The STX2 Pop-Out Garage's modern style look is highlighted by its classy elegance, and it comes in a variety of colors to suit personal tastes. It is the best option for someone who's looking for comfort, convenience, a roomy interior, and excellent craftsmanship. Number 10. Furrion Elysia. The Furrion Elysia motorhome is a revolutionary, luxurious, and futuristic vehicle. It has very impressive dimensions of 45 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 13.5 feet high. Its interior includes a fully furnished kitchen, a wine refrigerator, a smart toilet and shower, 3 75-inch 4K TVs, a 15-inch touchscreen control panel, navigation, surround view cameras, and a fireplace. A helipad with a Robinson R-22 helicopter is the craziest feature of the upper deck's entertainment area, which also includes a cozy lounge and a jacuzzi. The Furrion Elysia is an opulent mobile home that surpasses all expectations in terms of mobility and luxury. Number 9. Microhouse. A microhouse is a compact, cozy, and useful do-it-yourself home for those who live in small minimalist homes. Because of its compact size, it can easily fit in tight spaces or on small land plots. The microhouse has a small living area, a functional kitchen, a large bathroom, and a comfortable bedroom. Its construction doesn't require a lot of money or sophistication. For people who value independence, simplicity, and spending time in nature, it is more than just a place to live. Number 8. Earth ROAR SX 2023. Earth ROAR SX 2023 is a unique motorhome that fulfills the most advanced engineering for your desert safaris and cruises. It has outstanding off-road capability, and is powered by a Durabax 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel engine mounted on a sturdy Chevrolet 6500 chassis. It has been built with vacuum-infused carbon for a much more durable experience. For extended trips, the motorhome has a solar panel, a lithium-ion battery pack, and sizable fuel and water reserves. It has an expansive, opulent interior with a king-size bedroom, a large kitchen, a comfortable living area, and a full bathroom. Number 7. Dembel Motorhome. Demel is a luxurious mobile home with smart, innovative technology designed by Flagship Motorhome. With a fully furnished kitchen, ergonomic seating, heating, cooling, and massage features, as well as a separate bedroom with a bed that lowers hydraulically. The interior is meant to make the journey both pleasant and opulent. It is powered by the most powerful Mercedes Actros V12 engine. It includes a solar panel system on the roof and a multi-zone climate controlling system. The car is a luxury travel enthusiast's dream come true because it also has a clever storage system and reconfiguration modules. The upper deck has a helipad with a Robinson R-22 helicopter, a cozy lounge, and a jacuzzi. All of your mobile luxury demands are met by the Furon Alicia, a luxury home on wheels. Number 6. Element Palazzo. Do you see this astonishing piece of invention? This is the new Element Palazzo designed by the European automotive company Marine Mobile. It is an exquisite mobile home that creates a distinctive look by fusing yachting, sports automobiles, and aircraft. This is one of the most luxurious home mobiles ever designed with an impactful design. The motorhome's unique shape and large window lens that offers panoramic views allow passengers to enjoy the surroundings without getting out of the vehicle. The interior of the motorhome features a spacious kitchen with a breakfast bar and wine cabinet, a comfortable bedroom with a king-size bed, and a front-of-house air conditioner that creates the ideal temperature. Number 5. Rioja Bespoke Projects. These actual homes on wheels are known as Rioja Bespoke Projects, and these were thoughtfully designed to provide the owners with the highest level of comfort and practicality. Among the many luxuries included in these 70-square-meter houses are automated control systems, televisions, telephones, internet, and more. The interior design is tailored to the owner's preferences, offering 2 bedrooms, a spacious living room, kitchen, or a movie room with a full satellite TV package. The master bedroom features a large bed desk, closet, TV, and private bathroom, while the other bedrooms, children's room, shower, and living room have 2 TVs. Each vehicle is made with the best materials and innovative MANU manufacturing technologies. Number 4. Thor Vision Vehicle. One of the most innovative ideas for the future of motorhomes is the Thor Vision Vehicle. It has a hybrid propulsion system with a fuel cell that functions as an onboard generator and a high-capacity rechargeable battery with a range of up to 300 miles. This increases independence and traveling possibilities by enabling the use of other fuel types, such as hydrogen. With an automated dashboard, a huge central touchscreen, a rear-view camera, and various digital displays across the caravan. A roomy kitchen with a retractable display and glass dividers that can be adjusted for privacy is part of the living area. The interior is just luxurious in its own way. Number 3. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a 2-story motorhome designed for surfers and active lifestyles. It offers an exhilarating tour along coasts with stops at beautiful beaches and surf locations. The hotel features air-conditioned rooms, a kitchen, a shower, and comfortable guest rooms. The cargo area is equipped for outdoor activities and surfing, providing a comfortable and fashionable stay. Imagine having your motorhome next to you when you wake up to the sound of waves and are thrilled to be surfing off the coast. Number 2. Hymer Vision Venture. A new class of design autonomy and lightweight construction are features of the German firm Here's Vision Venture concept car. Its all-wheel drive for off-road capabilities, seamless transitions, and integrated front design are all based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. A big panoramic window and unusual materials like bamboo, leather felt, natural stones, and high-tech polymers can be found within, while the roof has insulated honeycomb walls and a pneumatic retractable system. These designers have thoughtfully designed functional, open floor plans with a large panoramic window transforming the living area into a cozy outdoor terrace with a retractable electric grill. This brings it to the next level of caravanning. Number 1. Volkner Performance S. The German company's Vollner Mobile Performance is a luxurious and innovative motorhome with a 12-meter length and a roomy, comfortable interior. It has a special center garage for moving a 4-seater, solar panels for 1,800 amp-hours of battery power, and an advanced Voulez-Roux system for heating and cooling. In addition, the house has a large bathroom, a kitchen equipped with a dishwasher, microwave, coffee maker, wine refrigerator, and induction hub oven, as well as a 1,000-liter water reserve. Level of comfort and style in these homes is unmatched. It's incredible how they've turned a vehicle into a luxury home. Subscribe for more amazing content, and don't forget to share your views down below. These are the 10 most jaw-dropping luxury cars on the planet, built for speed, style, and pure status. Ready to see what dreams are made of? Hit this video and find out.